Imagine throwing away a simple hard drive and later discovering it was worth millions of dollars. Sounds impossible, but this actually happened. And it all started with Bitcoin. In 2009, a man unknowingly threw away a simple hard drive. Inside it were thousands of Bitcoins. A fortune that would one day be worth hundreds of millions of dollars. Another early user once paid 10,000 Bitcoin for just 2 pizzas. At the time it seemed normal. Today, those pizzas would cost more than $500 million. Every time we pay someone, our money doesn't move directly. It travels through banks first. Institutions that control every transaction. And each time they take a small fee. Tiny cuts for millions of people. Over the years, those small fees turn into massive profits. Long before Bitcoin, scientists were already dreaming about digital money. In the 1980s, cryptographers began experimenting with electronic cash. One project called DigiCash tried to create private online payments. The technology worked, but the world simply wasn't ready yet. Bitcoin introduced something revolutionary. Instead of one central server, thousands of computers shared the same record together. These computers, called miners, solve complex problems to secure the network. In return, they earn newly created Bitcoin as a reward. Each group of transactions forms a block. Blocks connect one after another, creating a chain. A history that cannot be changed. No one truly knows who created Bitcoin. The name Satoshi Nakamoto could be one person, or even a group hiding in the shadows. In 2011, Satoshi sent one final message, and then disappeared forever, leaving the project in the hands of the world. From just a few cents, the price began to climb. Slowly at first, then faster than anyone could have imagined. Today, people around the world use Bitcoin to send money, pay bills, and move wealth across borders without asking permission. Even large companies and institutions have started accepting it, treating Bitcoin not as a toy, but as a serious financial asset. As trust in traditional money weakens, digital currencies may shape the future. Bitcoin could become the foundation of a new financial era. From forgotten hard drives to a global revolution, the story of Bitcoin proves one thing. The future of money has already begun. Bitcoin is just the beginning. The future of money, technology, and freedom is changing faster than ever. If you enjoy learning the real stories behind innovation, subscribe to FunBox Education. See you in the next documentary.